get more breaking updates coming in. A dramatic clash between the BRS and the Congress MLAs caught on camera, where the BRS and the Congress MLAs came face to face, where they were also seen hurling water bottles at each other. The water bottles were hurled at a Congress MLA, as you can see in the visuals. Shomit, what are the details? It was a public event, we're told, that turned chaotic with a bottle being hurled at an MLA.
Well, yes, see, in the ground in Telangana, at several places, different constituencies, these ration cards are being distributed. So white ration cards for poor people are being distributed. And recently government has taken decision to, allow the applications for new white ration cards. So however, after new white ration cards have come in, politicians are distributing it. And BRS MLA, actually she is the sitting MLA. This happened in the Adilabad district in Telangana state. And, basically, Kovi Lakshmi is, sitting BRS MLA. And, actually heated argument taken place there in the Komrambim Asifabad district. And basically, BRS MLA can be clearly seen in the video hurling water bottles, 3 to 4 water bottles at the Congress leader. He's Shyam Nayak, so he has contested as an MLA there, and Kova Lakshmi is the sitting BRS MLA from Bellampalli constituency in Asifabad district. Actually, Shyam Nayak, because MLA will be having that protocol, should also be present with the officials. Even normally when programs do happen, minister, MP, MLA, and then officials. This is the exact protocol where leaders and officials will be participating. So BRS MLA was participating in that program. However, it was a government program, but still because that was the protocol allows her to participate. So she was participating there, and Congress, in charge of that Bellampalli constituency, and also who has contested as an MLA against Kovi Lakshmi, he came there and heated discussion, took place, exchange between them. Initially, the Shyam Nayak, Congress leader, has stated that BRS has never given white ration cards to the poor people, and that led to a heated argument between BRS MLA Kovi Lakshmi and also Congress leader Shyam Nayak. And immediately after that, she was seen hurling 3 to 4 bottles at the Congress leader, and that again escalated the situation there. Immediately, both the workers almost nearly reached to that situation of clashing, and immediately officials present there, including police and also other officials, including revenue officials, they immediately intervened into the matter and asked both MLA and also Congress leader to calm down. And however, they managed to disperse both the Congress workers and BRS workers from the spot.
Okay.